baby. Looking good. Plenty of wood chips. Oh, drink away, you know?
So how many cubic meters do you think this was?
It was the whole van, like, truck full. So I ain't got to think. I just thought I got some few wood chips, you know? I wasn't measuring or counting.
That'd be a bit much to do, I suppose.
But, you know, I'm thankful for it, you know what I mean? So,
Fair enough, fair enough.
To get it done.
Now it's the wheeling the whole thing back. Good luck.
I'm gonna take it in there. This year I'll be putting wood chip around the plot to help the plants. Wood chip I think is good for the pathways, as we know. Also they help the roots over time when it's dry. It kind of stores water, so I like it for that purpose. And at the ending of the year, so like next year, also I can use that same wood chip if it's composted down well enough on the beds. So having wood chip on your plot or your allotment is very useful. It's a little bit of hard work, but you know, having an allotment can be like that. Overall, to me, that's the hardest work I do on the allotment, as I use a no-dig, no-till style of growing. As you can see, my overwinter garlic growing very well. Yeah. yeah, finally finished. Hope it's looking alright. Still got to do a bit more work on the beds, extending them a bit. Apart from that, to me, it's okay. So on that, I say live well, and together we grow.